Tell me about the dog turning into fire. Tell me about the dog turning into fire. I missed it, huh? Oh, I wanted to get a story.
What say, Daddy?
I was asking you to tell me about the dog that turns into fire.
Oh, yeah, because you want a story of mine. Because my books are very dangerous.
Oh, your monster's very dangerous?
You can't pick my books if you like. My books are cute that I have.
Your books are very cute, my love.
They're mine, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to use them?
I love using them. Maybe we'll use some tomorrow.
Huh?
Maybe we'll use some tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Go to Piñata?
No, there's no piñatas tomorrow.
Huh? No Piñata tomorrow?
Yeah, is your dog dangerous?
Not really. It's still turning a fire. It's not turning a fire.
No, he's safe right now? He's safe right now?
Yes.
What happens when he turns into fire?
You're not turning a fire.
Oh, but I'm worried about him turning into fire.
Ew. Yeah, Daddy, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh. My papá sabe de caliente.
¿Caliente?
Yes.
Está caliente.
¿Qué es, mamá?
Un helicóptero.
Yo iba. Yo iba. It's an airplane.
I do hear the plane.
Here was here, Daddy. Hear it.
Uh-huh.
Wait, I hear it, Daddy.
I hear it too.
I hear it louder, Daddy. Get it louder.
Oh boy.
Okay? A plane can get out of the house. We just stay in the outside.
Wow.
A snake can fly because my dog still has wings.
Yeah?
He's a dragon.
He's a dragon?
What my doggy has?
Oh.
My dog has strength.
Oh.
And I see in the dark.
Can you see in the dark? I can you?
It's not seeing dark. It's nice. We'll have my doggy on it.
Can I hug your doggy? He's not going to turn into fire, is he? Okay.
It's just nice. What my doggy has it. Won't see her legs. I gotta... Let's see. Yeah. Yucky. Can you smell it?
My smeller's not doing too good. I can't smell anything. What's it smell like?
Yeah, let's sniff. No. That's another one. Ma, huele. Está rico, ma.
Huele a polvo.
Yeah. Sí, ma.
Hay que lavar tu perrito.
Sí, ma. I'm gonna wash my doggy because it got dirty. Got dirty in the ground. Now they want to see it. But and legs. Got you. Yuck. My doggy got yuck on it.
Oh no.
We're gonna wash it, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Can you wash it together?
Sure.
Okay.
You just let me know when. What's that sound?
I don't know. I think the ball. The ball is shaking. And remember, you gotta be quiet. Okay? To be quiet, Daddy. Because Mama's sleeping, not too loud. Okay, Daddy? Then gently. Not like that, baby. Okay. No, whoa. Not like that. Not like that, buddy. Not too hard. Not too, huh?
Show me.
Like this. You do it, Daddy. Okay. You do it that.
I thought I was.
Where's the hair? Hair ball.
Mm.
There was my band-aid go.
Don't know.
I think went outside.
Thank you.
See him there.
Oh,
I see it down there, Daddy. He was laying down on it.
yeah.
He did.